Welcome to Sallie Tomato. I would love to show you a new product that we are really excited about. It is the Handy Zipper Jig created by the Gypsy Quilter company. And this little product is so fun to use. It comes with instructions printed right on the back, but I'd like to show you in person how you use it. There are two slots and they are designated as a number 3 and a number 5, but you can also use a 4.5 with this little jig. We're first going to start with our zipper pull, and of course Sallie Tomato zippers come by the yard, so you have lots of options for different zipper styles. And we're going to be looking at the back of the zipper, so just turn your zipper pull over and make sure that the two channels are at the top. The bottom has a single channel. We want the two channels to be facing up or pointing up, and we're just going to slip the zipper pull into the slot. I'm using a number 3 zipper pull, so I have it in the number 3 slot, and the pull itself hangs down at the back of our zipper jig, which has a wonderful coated base so it doesn't slide, and it's got a little weight to it, so it really sits nicely on the table. Then we're going to bring in our zipper by the yard. This is the number 3 zipper, and you can see we've used this tape already, so it's just simply cut off, and sometimes that can be really challenging to get started in your zipper pull, but this Handy Zipper Jig makes it super easy. So we're going to just open up our zipper and then turn. This is the right side of the zipper. We want the back side of the zipper to show, so you should not see any teeth, and on the darker colors you might actually see the stitching that holds the coils. Because we have the back of the zipper, we want the back of the zipper tape. And the instructions printed on the package have you insert one tail at a time. But we've been playing with this, and we found that if you angle your zipper ends just a little bit, and we are just going to gently pull, and that attaches your zipper pull beautifully without any effort. And let me show you one of our specialty zipper pulls. This is a number 5, and it's the Nautical zipper pull. And sometimes those fancier ones, or fancier zipper pulls, can be a little more intimidating. They can be more shaped or more dramatic. Again, being a number 5, we're going to use the number 5 slot, and looking at the back of the zipper, make sure the two channels are at the top. Slip that right in. There we go. It is a little thicker pull, so, but the teeth or the prongs at the top are quite thin. You could certainly start at the very beginning of the manufactured zipper, but just because we often have zippers that are just cut off because it's zippers by the yard, let's use those. Again, turn the zipper over so you have the wrong or back side of the zipper showing. And again, you can see I haven't even cleaned up those little ends of the zipper tape. Perfectly attached every time. So I hope this will encourage you to try zippers by the yard, because now there's no need to fear or worry about putting any zipper pull onto a zipper by the yard using the wonderful little Handy Zipper Jig. We encourage you to check out our website. We are carrying the Handy Zipper Jig, or be sure to request them from your local quilt shop. Thanks for watching.